Welcome everyone to my mommy and daddy's 10-year anniversary vow renewal ceremony. 10 years ago they got married here in Hawaii and it was the most magical day of their lives. At least that's what they tell me. Little did they know that 2 years later there would be a more magical day, my birthday. And then my brother Dax was born a few years later, and that completed the most magical story of all, our family. Mommy and Daddy, I'm so excited to be a part of your ceremony.
Karen, you're my best friend and my soulmate. In my mind, there are 3 stronger words than I love you. 10 years ago, I said I choose you. And today, I still choose you each and every day.
I promise to always be there for you, and I'm so grateful for our family and all the adventures we go on. We've done so much in the last 10 years. I think Hawaii is just so special to us. With that said, I know you're here for the right reasons.
Oh,
so I
yes.
think we can continue our marriage for many, many more years. I love you so much.
Love you.
Now with the power vested in me as the oldest child, I now pronounce Mommy and Daddy still married. You may kiss each other.